Good morning, guys. Welcome to Pinayan, Ontario. For today's video, I want to show you guys the place where we stay. Andito kami ngayon sa Puerto Princesa, Palawan. Ayan. Yung resort na in-stay namin, Microtel by Windham. It's kagabi dumating kami dito ng hapon. High tide na siya, kaya yung beach area parang hindi siya swimmable. Pero this morning kasi low tide, parang pwede naman siya i-swim. Ayan o. Yan, mga bangka ng mga mangingisda yata yan. Yan. Ngayon, the water is clean. Pero kahapon, nung dumating kami, parang I was a little bit disappointed kasi yung dagat is yung beach area nila is parang ang dumi tignan. At saka yung tubig kasi nagdadala ng maraming dumi kasi nga high tide. Pero ngayon is low tide. Ayan yung Microtel by Windham. Yan siya. Free breakfast. Standard room yung kinuha namin. Standard room. They don't have fridge in the room, but they have 2 queen size bed, which is good. And it's a good size room. Ayan. It's not cheap. It's a bit pricey. Pero okay lang. Ito yung pinili ng asawa ko kasi akala niya kahit sa hapon pwedeng mag-swimming. Mahilig kasi kami mag-swimming sa dagat. Especially dagat. Ako mahilig talaga. Ayan. Yung surroundings niya. Ayan yung beachfront nila. Yan. Ang problema lang pag high tide sa hapon, hindi na siya swimmable. So they advise that you stop swimming by 6 p.m. Maybe it's because high tide and also it's dark and they don't have light in front of it. So yeah, so they advise for you not to swim after 6 p.m. Pero ang ganda ng view niya. Ayan. This is Puerto Princesa, Palawan by Microtel Windham. Ayan. Ganda ng surroundings. Ganda ng tubig. Ayan yung tubig. It's very clear. White sand. Ayan yung tubig nila. Ayan. Ito kasi yung gustong-gusto namin dito sa Pilipinas. Is yung mga beaches nila is super ganda talaga. Yan. Pero the best so far na napuntahan namin is yung Bantayan Island sa Cebu. Yan yung the best na napuntahan namin. Last year nandun kami. Nung Christmas pumunta kami sa Camotes Island, which is Cebu pa rin. Hindi ako fan sa beach area nila kasi masyadong seaweed yung nila. Pero dito okay yung tubig. Tingnan nyo, makikita nyo yung yung aking nail polish. So clear yung tubig. Ayan. Sarap maligo. Ayan, ang ganda dito guys. Ayan. Yung main attraction sa Puerto Princesa is yung underground river, Honda Bay, at saka pwede ka rin mag day tour sa El Nido, Palawan. But from here, they said you have to take a van. 4 hours yata yung mula dito papunta doon, and 4 hours on the way here. Back and forth. 4 hours going there, 4 hours coming back. So, parang all day. At saka yung underground river also, it's 2 hours by land, and then another motor boat ride, and then paddleboard daw, sabi nila. Ayan. So yun yung mga main attraction sa Palawan is yung yung underground river. Hindi pa kami nag-decide kung anong attraction yung gagawin namin, anong tour yung gagawin namin. Pero maybe we're gonna do at least one kasi it's very pricey. Well, some local at the airport yesterday was advising me that kung magbubook daw kami, dapat daw wag daw sa hotel kasi may patong. Dapat daw mag-book daw kami ng sarili namin, mag-inquire kami. So merong tricycle na nasakyan namin kahapon. Ay, ito pa pala guys, before I forget. So kung darating kayo dito mula sa airport, yung taxi, may taxi sila pero fixed price. It doesn't matter where you go, it's 500 pesos. So we decided to take the tricycle kasi yung tricycle is 300, and then depende sa distance, pero mula airport to here to Microtel is about 21 minutes. So chinarge kami ng 300 pesos. So yun, walang metro yung taxi nila guys sa airport, so nag tricycle kami. Yun, 300. So meron yung tricycle driver na parang mga tour info. So it's in his dashboard in his tricycle. So we took a picture of it, and we'll see. We're comparing it to the resort prices. Then we'll see how much the difference is. And I also want to see if I can find a local to talk to the local. Sometimes it's the best way to do it, to just talk to the local. It's way cheaper that way. So ayan, just wanna show you where we are today. Dito kami sa Puerto Princesa, Palawan. At dito kami nagstay. Microtel by Windham. Ayan lang guys. I hope you like this video. Please follow for more. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Pinay in Ontario. Bye.